Assalamu alaikum students. How are you all? Okay student, today is our lecture number 4 that is based on the topic Robinson Crusoe, page number 15. Sorry, unit number 15. Okay? So, open your book, go to page number 96. Here is a comprehension exercise, exercise A. It says match column A with column B to make a correct sentence. Okay? Here a column are given. You have to match them. So, number one is Crusoe faced a series of violent storm at the sea. Number two, he was the only survivor of the shipwreck. To record the tasks, he wrote a journal. Crusoe learned to grow crops and make port. Crusoe found a dog and a parrot on the island. Crusoe found a dog and a parrot on the island. He remained on the island for 27 years. Okay? Friday became his devoted servant. Okay? So moving to the next, on page number 97, here is an exercise B. It says write the meaning of the word given below and also use them in sentences. We have done meaning in our previous lecture, so you only have to make sentences of the words that are given over here. Words are wanderer, defied, provision, authority, shipwreck, fierce, impulsive, and sanity. Okay? So on the next, here is an exercise C. It says answer the question given below. Question number 1 is why did Crusoe decide to settle down in Brazil? Crusoe settled in Brazil to become a merchant. He became a sugar planter. Okay? Question number 2, what happened to Crusoe when he undertook a voyage to Africa? When he undertook a voyage to Africa, his ship has been wrecked with other ships and thrown upon the shore. Number 3. Why did Crusoe begin writing a journal? Crusoe started writing a journal to keep his sanity and to entertain himself. In journals, he recorded every task that he performed each day since he had been born. Question number 4. What skill did Crusoe learn while he was on the island? Crusoe learned about the crafts and became a skilled craftsman while he was on the island. Question number 5. Who was Friday? How did he come to Crusoe? Friday was a slave and he came to Crusoe by the savages. He was saved by Crusoe. Question number 6. How was Crusoe able to return to his country, England, again? Crusoe was able to return to his country, England, in a ship that has been captured by the crew. He helped the captain to gain his ship back, and captain helped him by taking him to England. Okay, student, this is the question answers of your chapter number 15, Robinson Crusoe. Okay, now moving to the next. Here is an exercise E. Fill in the blank with suitable preposition. Okay. Number 1. Robinson Crusoe went dash sea. Went to sea. He settled down dash Brazil in Brazil. He was thrown dash the shore upon the shore. He brought many things from the wrecked ship. Crusoe remained on the island for many years. He learned to cook and grow crops. When he went back to took Friday and Paul with him, He furnished himself with diverse comfort. Crusoe built a summer house for himself. In the journal, he recorded every task he performed. Okay, student, this is your exercise E. Now, moving to the next exercise F, it says fill in the blank with suitable articles. Okay, what are the articles? There are two types of articles. Okay, definite and indefinite articles. A, and the. Okay, Robinson Crusoe was a young woman. He had to face a series of storms. His ship was hit by the storm. He was thrown on the island. He brought many things from the wrecked ship. After some time, an English ship anchored about 3 kilometers from the island. Okay, student, this is your today's lecture, and I hope so you have understood all. Take care, students. Allah Hafiz.